Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you are watching. If you're new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Eva Mtali, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online, working remotely, where and how to find such kind of jobs. Once in a while, I also post travel vlogs documenting my different escapades both within my country, Kenya, as well as internationally outside my country. So if any of those topics sound exciting to you, you want to hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, you want to hit the notification bell as well, so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first person to know. So without much further ado, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 best side hustles that you can start as a broke beginner. Remember, these side hustles do not require any financial investment on your side, or if they do, it's very minimal. All you will need is your time and passion for what you do. So the number one side hustle for a broke beginner is what we call print on demand. So just as the name sounds, you basically print merchandise on demand. So for example, the hoodie that I am wearing, you will find maybe YouTubers, content creators, or just anybody who is interested in merchandise. It could be a hoodie, it could be a mask, it could be a t-shirt, it could be a crop top, it could be anything. It could be a mug, a flask. And what you want to do is to sign up with websites such as teespring.com. You want to sign up with websites such as spreadshirts.com, where you're going to market your print on demand product. And if you do not have any graphical skills, don't worry, there are free websites such as canva.com that you can use to design the different merchandise you want to sell. And once you have posted them on there, you do make use of free marketing platforms such as you can use Instagram, get up an Instagram page. You can use Facebook, join different Facebook groups, and also you can use your own personal one-to-one services like use WhatsApp, for example. And I would advise that you create merchandise based on different themes, based on different trends. So for example, you could target things that are currently happening in your country. So for example, here in Kenya, there are some words that people have been using over and over again, some different slang words. So for example, you could use something like olisikia wapi, for example. You can use words such as nikonarieng. Just get words that are currently the in thing in your country, and you could market those. And especially you could target people in the diaspora, for example, who might not have access to such kind of words because they don't hear them quite often. So you could get a dedicated page where you inform people of the latest slang in your country, for example. Or you could target different creators, like approach me and tell Eva, I could do for you a t-shirt, I could do for you a crop top that is geared towards your website, geared towards your blog, your YouTube channel, whatever it is. Yeah, print on demand. The number 2 side hustle that you can start today as a broke beginner is to start an Etsy shop. And if that is something that is exciting to you, then you want to check this video up here, where I share with you a step-by-step process of how you can start your Etsy shop. And basically, Etsy is an online platform that brings together people who want to buy handmade products with people who want to sell those handmade products. And what you want to do, especially with Etsy, is that if you do not have the money to buy the product or to make the product upfront, get a picture of that product and post it on the website. This is because with Etsy, the customers will pay you upfront. That's when you do the shipment. Alternatively, if you do not want to deal in physical products, Etsy has a functionality whereby you can sell digital products. These are products that are sold and consumed virtually. You do not have to be involved in any physical products. And if that sounds exciting to you, check this video up here, where I share with you almost 20 digital products that you can sell on the Etsy platform. And we are talking about courses, we are talking about planners, we are talking about music, there's tons of things that you can sell. You can sell knitting patterns, you can sell so many different things. So just check this video up here where I give you the different items that you can sell on the Etsy platform. The number 3 side hustle that you can start today as a broke beginner that does not require any financial investment on your part is what we call user testing. So there are different websites such as usertesting.com, there is lionsbridge.com, whereby you can sign up as a user tester. So basically, as a user tester, you will be hired by website developers, you will be hired by software developers, you will be hired by app developers just to check that their websites, their apps, their softwares are operating as they were intended to. So you might not get like a whole chunk of change with this kind of jobs, but it's better than nothing. So you could earn anything from 2,500 Kenya shillings, that's like $25 to 4,000 Kenya shillings, that's like 40 US dollars, right? The number 4 side hustle that you can engage in as a broke beginner is what I'm doing right now. You could start your own YouTube channel. And just hang on for a minute. If standing in front of a camera is not your cup of tea, not a problem, because with YouTube, you can actually have either a YouTube channel where you show your face like what I'm having right now, or alternatively, you could start a faceless YouTube channel. And the beauty with faceless YouTube channel, unlike the one that I'm having right now, is that it is much more scalable. So for example, if your YouTube channel uses more of, you know, like the cartoon characters, or it's just like a compilation of music, it means like you can outsource that service. You can actually ask somebody to do them for you, or alternatively, you can just get copyright free clips, video clips from the internet, for example, from pexly.com, and combine them together and come up with a video that you post on the platform. So there are different ways that you can still make money without showing your face on YouTube. And if that is something that you're interested, you want to check this video up here where I show you the different ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And there are different ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel. The most common one is what we call joining YouTube's partnership program, whereby you basically allow YouTube to put advertisements on your videos, and once your audience watches them, then YouTube pays you some revenue. Alternatively, you can also put affiliate links on the description boxes of your videos. You can collaborate with brands, you can do brand sponsorships, you could even ask your audience to make donations on your channel. So there's tons of ways you can make money with YouTube. And if you're interested, check this video up here where I break down the different ways that YouTubers are currently making money. The number 5 best side hustle that you can engage in as a broke beginner is Fiverr. Yeah, so with Fiverr.com is basically a gig website whereby you engage in small-ish tasks that cost from around $5 upwards. And what you want to do, if you're not sure what kind of services can you offer on Fiverr, just log on to the platform Fiverr.com and check what kind of things are already people offering, what kind of gigs are people already offering, and which of those can you resonate with. So for example, you will find people offering Google AdWords services, you'll find people offering Facebook AdWords services, and all that kind of thing. So for example, if you decide you want to offer your Google AdWords services, that is something that even if you do not have a skill for, you can actually, in a period of 4 to 5 weeks, get certified by Google, and it's free of charge. And if you're interested in finding out what other courses can you quickly learn at zero cost and start offering your services, you want to check this video up here where I share the different Google certifications that you can engage in free of charge and start making money online almost immediately. Well guys, those are the 5 different side hustles you can engage in, especially as a broke beginner. And all you're going to need to succeed is your time, your passion, your consistency and patience. Because again, right now with COVID, a lot of people are at home, a lot more than were online last year. which presents an opportunity for you. So take advantage, be patient, take your time, be consistent, and you're going to succeed. My question of the day, let me know in the comments below, have you ever been engaged in a side hustle? What was the experience like? Thank you guys for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you on the next video. Bye-bye.